Hello, Mr. Mailer here, your online math teacher, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be continuing my video series on one variable statistics. So if you find this video helpful, consider hitting the like button, subscribing, and let's go. So what I'm going to talk about today is how to find the quartiles of a data set. So first and third quartile, you're probably working towards your 5-number summaries if you're finding these. Now, the first steps of finding your quartiles by hand is always the same as if you were finding your median. You need to order your data from least to greatest. Once you've done that, like I have here, you're going to split your data set into two different halves. So you could do this by finding your median value. So if I went about finding the median to do this, I would use my little cross off method, and I'm not going to cross off just for the sake of finding stuff here. And I'm going to find that 6 is what's exactly in the middle here. So this would be my median. And I am going to not include the median when I've split it into two different halves. That's because when I have one specific value that is my median and is in my data set here, it's not clear should I include it in the lower half or the upper half of my data. So we are going to take the convention that we are not going to include it in either half. If you have to average two numbers in the middle to find your median, that's fine. You don't have this issue. Just throw the lower number in the lower half and the higher number in the upper half. But if you have one number in the middle like this, you will not include it in either half. So this is going to be my upper half and my lower half. Once we've done this, what we're going to do is we are going to find the median of the lower half of our data and the median of the upper half of our data. So I can use my little cross out trick here to get that 5 is the median of the lower half of my data, and my cross out trick on the upper half to get that 10 is the median of the upper half of my data. Now, these two numbers are in fact our first and our third quartile. So I have my first quartile being 5, my third quartile being 10, and these are our rough approximates of our 25th and 75th percentiles if you have talked about percentiles in your class. So here's our first and our third quartiles. They are a critical part of our 5-number summary that you're going to use to get your IQR, your interquartile range. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, consider hitting the like button, and have an awesome day.